What is the main difference between English as a subject and as a language? It is said that English is the window by which we can see the whole world, which is spoken by many people as a communication skill in all over the world. It connects to person and one country to another country. It means it links globally. Hello my dear learners, Namaskar and welcome to this channel. As we all know that in this channel I have started the series Broken and Spoken English Speaking Practice for beginners. Now let's move on to today's topic. In this video I am going to tell you about English. What does it mean English as a subject and as a language? And what is the main difference between English as a subject and as a language? So in this video I am going to know the answer these questions. So guys, everybody must know that English is not only subject which we should read or learn only for good marks, that is passing the examination and getting a good job, but also English as a language which is used as a communication skill and it is spoken all over the world, that is global language. You can say it is an international language which brings many opportunity for all of us. It is rightly said English is the window by which we can see the whole world. Yes. Now let's know what is the main difference between English as a subject and as a language. So guys, when it comes to English as a subject, I have to learn many rules or grammar and read for examination purpose to get good marks. But when I talk about English as a language in which there is no grammar rules, just focus on LSRW. It means listening, speaking, reading and writing. This is a natural way to learn any language, not only language that is English. I have already discussed this method, that is baby method. In this method I have focused on 4 weapons, that is listening, speaking, reading and writing. Since people meet one another, it means one country to another country, They use English as a communication skill. While speaking, people don't think about any rules, that is grammar. They focus on to understand one another. They use it as a communication. Thus, the main difference between English as a subject and as a language. When we talk about as a language, just related to LSRW, it means the language deals with four weapons with the help of people communicate one another. While we take about English as a subject, it covers the history of the whole world in form of essay, story, novels, biography, poetry as a poem in different form, so on. So this is all about the today's topic, that is English as a subject and as a language. And thanks for watching this video.